Hey guys, it's your girl, Daisy. In today's video, I decided to show you guys me working on my new character. Yes, if you don't know, this is your first time ever come to my channel, hey, welcome. And for those who already been here, hey guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below because your girl loves to talk. Okay. In today's video, I am back in my sketchbook, yes. So, in this video, I'm going to only be talking about one character, but you can see two characters right now. So, one character, which is over here, I don't have a name for him yet, but I know his name will come sooner than later because I don't know right now. But this video is only about Lil Mousy, which is right here. And as you can see, she's very different, just like he's very different, but she's holding something in her hand right now, and that is a lollipop. I had made a new lollipop, and I wanted a character to go with that lollipop. So let's go ahead and get into that real quick so I can tell you about Lil Mousy a little bit more. So I decided to create a new character. It's going to be based off Candy World, Candy Land, Candy Shop. I don't know. Candy is my character that I made a while back. Then I redrew her again and all kinds of things. You want to go check that out. You can go check out my videos all about Candy. But I had recently, not too long ago, made my first animation short, and in that short is Candy Shop. Background and all those things is like a different type of world, land, place that they're at. I'm going to tell you about a new character that's going to be a part of that world. Now there are actually three, Candy and the other two, but there are more, but I didn't make them yet. Right now there are two characters added on to the Candy world, Candy Land. I don't know. So this Lil Mousy, this is how she looks. She's a cheeky, sneaky mouse, and she loves chocolate. This is her lollipop, and I did a lollipop video a while back, not a while back, but not too long ago. Candy lollipop. This is a updated one. It's the same thing, but it's just different and a little bit smaller and a little bit rounder. So I wanted to make a character, from this lollipop, and that's when the Lil Mousy came into it, and I decided to draw Lil Mousy here. This costume on, I'm gonna call it a costume, and it's a mouse costume. So she loves anything that's chocolate. She's very sneaky. She's a cheeky, sneaky mouse. She's very small and cute, and so that's why she's Lil Mouse. I decided to come up here with you guys and just basically go over that and see how I want to go and how I want to create her and go some more details with her, because I already did most of my drawing in the sketchbook, in my sketchbook, and I brought that drawing into Procreate and just basically go into more details with her, because that's basically how I do when it comes to my characters. If you want to know about all that, go check out my videos. I'm gonna show you how I make a character from start to finish. It's like basically introducing you guys to my new character. So as you can see, I already got Lil Mousy in Procreate. No, she don't look exactly like she looks on or in my sketchbook. I get that, but hey, she's not gonna look like that, but she's gonna look different. So I'm going to make this like a speed up, like a time lapse, because it's going to take me so long to show you guys what I'm doing with her, and I don't want to make this video too long. So what we're going to do is going to vibe to some music. You guys can watch me draw, and you can draw along if you want to, your character, whatever you want to do. But I just want to show you guys me getting the colors down, and if you want to see how I do that in details of how I add colors to any of my drawings, I will put a video down in the description down below, and you guys can go check that out. But let's go ahead and get into me adding color to Lil Mousy. Okay, now that I got her to where I think I want her to be at, But as I look at her and I look at the design of her, I already made my animation about, I already made my animation and she's already in there, but you can't see her like too good. Like she's hiding behind a TV. So you'll get what I'm saying if you go see the animation. But anyway, the point is that I was like, hey, wait a minute. I really don't like, the face too much. Not saying she's not cute now. She is cute to me. So I was like, well, I want to change her up a little bit because I want to make her more different. And well, you'll see, I'm going to fix her face a little bit, not too much, but I don't want her face to be like the whole like part of the hood part, the head part of the mouse costume is what I want to say. So I decided to make her face a little bit smaller because I feel like, not smaller, but just like more detailed, so it's her face. Her face is not like the whole part of that costume. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change her design a little bit, and then as you can see, I moved some of the swatches out the way. Some of them are like the chocolates that was around her. She looked like a cow to me, and I wasn't feeling that. I was like, she looked more like a cow than a mouse. I didn't want to make her too many things going on with her, so there will be some, like, chocolate on her, but I'm gonna make it like little peak, like spots here, spots there, because I feel like there was too much going on with that. So what I'm gonna do is basically change her up a little bit more, add more detail, add more stuff to the design of her, because I want to make her cute. So here she goes. As you can see, I changed it, right? I think she looks more cute. I want to be able to have her hair. She got to have hair. All my characters I made, I wanted to have like a signature hairstyle for them. So if I had made her face that big in the head part of the mouse costume, I want to get the hair design I want from her. So I decided to, like, okay, I can like make her hair still big but still cute at the same time. I feel like she's very cute, and I'm gonna add hair to her. And I'm not gonna do it in this video right here because there's gonna be more going on with this, because I'm not done with her yet. But yeah, I'm just I don't know, I'm just trying to get out of more with my designs, and when it comes to my characters, I wanted to make them more unique and cuter. So it just makes me want to add more to her. Now, as you can see, she's holding something in her hand. Once again, she loves chocolate. You'll figure that out next time when I'm, the next video, finishing her design. But right now, I'm just showing you me getting her back together. And as you can tell, if you have not noticed, her nose is the same nose that Ginger, my doll baby puppet, got. If you don't know who Ginger is, that's my first character I made on my channel with a backstory. And I had made her nose a cute little button nose. I love that so much, so I gave Lil Mousy one. Also, her best friend has that little cute little nose too. That's just that design they're gonna have. And I don't want to tell you too much, but you'll understand it very, very soon. They're very different. They're different, like a different design, and they're not the same as Bella, Nina, and Zoe. They are different. Same thing with Candy. She's different. They're not the same. They're all different. And I wanted to make sure that even if anything that I'm making, I want to make sure that they are, known for a part of my story, the part of the story I'm making for them, like Candy Land, the candy shop, or whatever it's going to be, because I really don't know right now. It's going to be a part of that, and I want to make sure that you can tell the difference from Candy's area and Bella and Nina area, and whatever characters like Ginger area. You'll know that they are different from different areas. They're not from the same, but they're going to be all together in the stories together, but they just different. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. As you can see, she's wearing sneakers. Yes, because for those who don't know, I love sneakers. That's what I do. That's in real life. So I wanted my characters to have sneakers too. So yeah, be looking out for the next video. I will also be showing you her best friend and his design. But first, foremost, I want to get Lil Mousy completely done. So you will see me finishing up her design when it comes to her hair and like the colors of her shoes and all that stuff. You'll see that a little bit later. So yeah. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And if you want to go see more videos of me, I'll put it right here so you can go check this video out. You might like it. And guys, I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.